Hi everyone, this is G. Lakshmikar Reddy, Department of Mathematics from DAV High School, RTPP. Today I would like to discuss about trigonometry, section 1. At first, let us come to know about trigonometry. What is trigonometry? The word trigonometry is derived from the Greek roots tri, gonia and metron. Tri means 3, gonia means angles, metron means measurements, that is 3 angles measure of a triangle is called trigonometry. It is an analytical study of 3-angled geometrical figure named as a triangle. Hipparchus, a Greek mathematician, established the relationship between the sides and angles of a triangle. Definition of trigonometry ratios. Take a right angle triangle ABC in which angle B equal to 90 degrees and angle A equal to theta, then the hypotenuse is AC, opposite side to angle theta is BC and adjacent side to theta is AB. Look at the figure. In the figure, right angle at B, the side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse, angle A equal to theta, the side opposite to theta is BC, opposite side, the side adjacent to theta AB. Alright, now let us discuss about 6 kinds of trigonometry ratios. The first one, sin theta. The ratio of opposite side to angle theta and the length of the hypotenuse is called sin of theta, briefly written as sin theta or sin A. Sin A equal to sin theta is equal to opposite side to angle theta by hypotenuse from the figure, that is equal to BC by AC. Second one, the ratio of adjacent side to angle theta and length of hypotenuse is called cosine of angle theta, briefly written as cos theta or cos A. Cos A is equal to cos theta is equal to adjacent side to angle theta by hypotenuse from the figure, that is equal to AB by AC. Third one, tan theta. The ratio of opposite side to angle theta and adjacent side to angle theta is called tangent of angle theta, briefly written as tan theta or tan A. Tan A is equal to tan theta is equal to opposite side to angle theta by adjacent side to angle theta, that is equal to BC by AB. The fourth one, cosecant theta. The ratio of length of hypotenuse and opposite side to angle theta is called cosecant of angle theta, briefly written as cosecant theta or cosecant A, that is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side to angle theta from the figure, that is equal to AC by BC. The fifth one, secant theta. The ratio of length of hypotenuse and adjacent side to angle theta is called secant of angle theta, briefly written as secant theta or secant A is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side to angle theta from the figure, that is equal to AC by AB. And the last one, cot theta. The ratio of adjacent side to angle theta and opposite side to angle theta is called cotangent of angle theta, briefly written as cot theta or cot A is equal to adjacent side to angle theta by opposite side to angle theta from the figure, that is equal to AB by BC. Now let us discuss an example. If tan A equal to 3 by 4, then find the other trigonometry ratios of angle A. Consider a right angle triangle, right angle at B and angle A equal to theta. The side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse AC. Given tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is equal to 3 by 4. That is, the ratio between opposite side and adjacent side is 3:4. Let assume that opposite side BC is equal to 3K, then adjacent side AB is equal to 4K, where K is any positive integer. In triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, that is equal to 3K whole square plus 4K whole square. AC square is equal to 9K square plus 16K square is equal to 25K square. AC is equal to square root of 25K square, that is equal to 5K. we know that sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is equal to 3k by 5k, kk get cancelled, 3 by 5. Similarly, we can find out cos A is equal to 4 by 5, cosecant A is equal to 5 by 3, and secant A equal to 5 by 4, and cot A is equal to 4 by 3. In this way, we can find the other trigonometry ratios with one of the ratios that we have given in the problem. Let us now discuss a beautiful sum which is helpful for your board examinations. Let me read the problem. Observe keenly. In triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, if angle A and angle X are acute angles such that cos A equal to cos X, then show that angle A equal to angle X. In triangle ABC XYZ, he has given that angle A and angle X are acute angles and cos A equal to cos X. According to the definition of cos theta is equal to adjacent side to angle theta by hypotenuse. Cos A equal to adjacent side to angle A by hypotenuse, that is equal to AC by AB. Similarly, cos X is equal to XZ by XY. Then AC by AB equal to XZ by XY from given. Let AC by AB equal to XZ by XY is equal to K. That implies AC is equal to K times of AB and XZ equal to K times of XY. And AC by XZ equal to AB by XY gives us equation number 1. Take BC by YZ. From the right angle triangle ABC, BC square is equal to AB square minus AC square and YZ square is equal to XY square minus XZ square. That implies BC by YZ is equal to square root of AB square minus AC square by square root of XY square minus XZ square, that is equal to square root of AB square minus K square into AB square divided by square root of XY square minus K square into XY square. Take AB in the common in the numerator, that is equal to square root of AB square of 1 minus K square divided by square root of XY square of 1 minus K square, that is equal to 1 minus K square get cancelled. You are getting as AB by XY, that is BC by YZ is equal to AB by XY is equal to AC by XZ. According to SSS similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ, then the corresponding angles are equal, that is angle A equal to angle X, hence it proved. I hope you might have understood the topic. We will continue this section soon. Thanks for watching.